Programming smart key for the 2021 Chery EQ1 with the K518 Pro. Now I have the keys in my hand. Now we use K518 Pro to program. Choose Chery. Select from vehicle. Choose Chery. Let's see, there's EQ1 here. Another EQ1 is S51 EV. We choose EQ1 S51 EV. Select smart key. High configuration. First, we need to clear the key first before adding a new key. Why should we remove the key first? This car only supports the working keys. Press to delete smart key. Okay, delete smart key successfully. When the car programs the keys, you don't have to turn on the ignition. After deleting smart key successfully, we selected smart key. We can only program the keys. Okay. The current count of keys is 0. Place the first key in the middle of the storage tray. Where is the middle of the storage tray? It's under the gear button. There's a hollow space. Put this key over there. It's right here. Confirm. Continue to learn the second key. Okay, put the second key over there. Learn the second key. Click OK. Learning completion. Click OK. These two keys have been programmed. If you didn't delete the old lost smart key, the new smart key cannot be programmed. Now let's try the remote control. Close the door. Lock. Unlock. Lock and unlock. Let's test to start the car. Hit the brake. Press the start button. Okay, start normally. Turn off the ignition. Take the original car key out of the car. Put this new key in the car. Then we press the start button. Hit the brakes. Okay. The new key is programmed. Startup success. K518 Pro program smart key for the 2021 Chery EQ1 successfully.